Google Play Store updates. So keeping Google Play Store updated is just important as updating your apps or even your Android system itself. What's actually new in this update? So here are the main highlights. First is faster app installs. Google has optimized background downloads, so apps and updates now install quicker even on slower networks. New design tweaks. The Play Store interface has been refreshed with smoother animations, cleaner categories, and even easier navigation. For example, the Manage Apps and Devices option is now more organized. Enhanced security alerts. If an app is flagged as unsafe or removed from the store, you'll now get clearer alerts before you install or update it. Better personalized recommendations. The update improves how apps are suggested based on your activity. So you'll see more relevant apps in your For You section. With improved subscription management, Google has added a new centralized hub for managing all your app subscriptions, making it easier to cancel, renew, or switch plans. Family controls and kids' safety. Parents now have more control over what kids can download with improved filters and clearer content ratings. These may look like small changes individually, but together they make your Play Store experience faster, safer, and easier to use. So, how do you make sure that you're running the latest Play Store version? Here's a quick step by step. You need to open up your Play Store and tap on your profile, which will be on the top right corner. Once you do that, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with settings. Now here you will have the About option. Under About, as you can see that you will have Update Play Store option. You need to just simply tap on Update Play Store and your Play Store will be updated. You'll have the new version. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.